The auto-close provides the ultimate in safety gate technology and the peace of mind that you deserve when it comes to keeping your family safe. The auto-close is equipped with a unique gravity-fed hinge that allows the gate to close by itself when the handle is released. Because the gate relies on gravity to shut the gate door closed, the auto-close locks shut from virtually every open position, near or far.
The Regalo swing-down bed rail is your solution for a durable, protective bed rail that provides safety and convenience. No more struggling to make the bed. The Regalo swing-down bed rail swings down and out of the way for easy bed making. Rest assured with Regalo's exclusive Gap Guard technology. Gap Guard prevents entrapment between the mattress and rail, assuring you and your child will sleep safe and sound. You'll love the no-hassle, no-tool setup. Start by assembling the bed rail frame. Next, attach the mesh wall. Connect the legs and anchor straps. Finally, place your mattress on top of the box spring, tighten the straps, and you're ready to go. The sidewall of the bed rail is 20 inches high to accommodate extra thick mattresses. The Regalo swing-down bed rail meets all current JPMA and ASTM safety standards. Regalo bed rails, for the most important people in the world.
Introducing SafeLock, the patent-pending magnetic cabinet lock from Roving Co. that is simple, stylish, and most of all, secure. Its innovative design makes it the best child-proofing lock available anywhere. Here's what makes SafeLock so special. The ring key allows convenient one-handed operation. The powerful magnets easily penetrate thick, solid wood. Simple push to activate and deactivate. The starter tape system revolutionizes installation. Adjust and install without difficult templates. The industrial strength red 3M tape sticks and stays stuck. SafeLock can also be screwed in if needed. SafeLock works in any orientation. Here's how to install. Mark the position of the ring key. Remove the catch's starter tape backing and align the catch flush to the frame edge, centered with the pencil mark. Temporarily stick the catch to the frame. Remove the lock's starter tape backing and align the top of the latch to the top of the catch. Temporarily stick the lock to the door. Test that the door is locked and can be unlocked with the ring key. Mark the final positions. Remove the catch and lock. Remove their 3M tape backing. Reattach them. And press very firmly and hold. Let the adhesive set for 12 hours undisturbed. Roving Co. Let your child roam safe. Available on Amazon.